Hello, Vac Squad. It's me, your favorite YouTuber, I guess. And today I'm doing a mess test with all four of my robot vacuums. The Neato D9, the Shark Ion RV750, the Neato Vac D6 connected, and the Roomba E5. And to help us, we got my nifty little phone, which has all those vacuum cleaner apps on there, I guess. See, you got your My Neato app, the Neato app, and the iRobot app, and Shredder ASMR. And now it's time to power all of them up. Yeah, so while those are powering up, I can show you a little bit. So, here's the Neato app. I named my Neato Vac D6 connected Schultz. I don't know if you could hear that, but they just powered up. Schultz is my Neato Vac D6, and my Neato D9 is named Tari. Okay. So now we got them all booted up. Let's send each of them on their own mission. Oh, here we go. So now all four of the vacuums are off. This is chaos. No, don't go under the couch. Yeah, Neato D9 is trying to eat my foot. Which one of these vacuums do you guys think is the best? If there's a comment section down below, sometimes they're not there, but if there's a comment section down below, you can comment which one do you think will win. No cheating. And also, I'm trying to get rid of my shark vacuum. So, yeah. If any of you guys wants it, just tell me down in the talker section on my main part of the channel or something. The thingy, I guess. Any takers? Here's Neato. So they're all on their maximum power levels. No, you're not going into the stupid dining room. He's mad. He's gonna run away. No, you're not going into the dining room. How many times do I have to say it? Yeah, you... No, Shark, you're not going into the dining room. Hold on a minute. There. Stay. Here's Roomba. Roomba's cleaning. By the way, if you didn't see, Roomba's name is Ulysses. So that's pretty nifty, I guess. You're not going into the hallway either. What did I tell you? Oh my god, they're all going into the dining room. Or maybe just the Roomba. You're not going in to the dining room. Neither are you, Neato. Yeah, you tell him, Roomba. This is crazy, guys! And this is a 6 subscriber special, I think. Oh, and by the way, if I didn't tell you before, this video also goes out to one of my watchers, Maddox. So Maddox, if you're watching this video, I hope you enjoyed this video, I guess. You don't realize how long it took me to put all that paper down. Neato D9's over here doing whatever, I guess. There's Roomba again, being awesome as always. Which one do you think will pick up the most pieces? Which one? By the looks of it, it looks like Roomba's getting the most of it. I don't know. There's Ludwig von Koopa. Why is Neato making that sound? The two Neatos are following each other. That's adorable. Leave me alone, Shark. There's only a few pieces left. Who will claim the last one? Your journey is just one fish short, and your fist is conjoined. And also, which one do you think will finish first? Okay. There's only 2 more pieces. And Shark's headed towards them. Nope, nope. When the Roomba drove in front of the Neato and they started arguing, blah, 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 blah. What in the name of all that Sparky are you incarcerated CPUs muttering about? Wow. Well, in that case, it's most likely defective. You're not going under the couch. Get back here. Oh my god, Roombas went into the dining room again. They're all working hard. Hey, look at that. Neato's finished. Oh, no. Neato's not finished.
Walk in there. Make your stomach.
What are you doing, Roomba? Get out of there. Roomba fail. Okay, 1,000,000 years later, it hasn't found its way. What are you doing? The test will be over once all the pieces are gone, I guess. Looks like Roomba finally found its way. Oh, come on, not this again. Still going? Yep. Looks like they're all competing to get that last one. Here comes Shark. Here comes Shark. Is he gonna get it? Nah, he won't.
Watch out.
Stop. Ah. Oh, here comes Neato. Here comes Neato. He's gonna get that last piece. And yay! And are you kidding me? Come on, Sharky, just pick up that last piece. It's not that hard. He literally just ran over it and didn't do anything. That's how stupid this shark vacuum is. Ah, wah! Stop trying to eat my foot. Oh, they're all attacking me. Ah! Not you too, Neato. Come on. Please? No. Phew. Come on, it's just that one piece. How hard is it to get? Who's gonna get that last piece? Clearly not Shark. They're all fighting over a piece of paper. Like, who does that? Roomba tickles. Stop trying to eat my foot, Neato. That hurt. Are you kidding me? Oh, I thought I needed... Roomba, did you go under the couch? Oh my god. These vacuums are so stupid. Roomba, come here. Come here, stupid vacuum. I said no going under the couch. The Neato's finished. The Neato's finished, I guess. Neato, what are you doing? Okay, let's just let the Neato roam. How did you find your way into here? No going into the stinking dining room. How many times do I have to tell you that? Okay, Shark's out of the video. Disqualified. Shark's out. Neato's still trying to find a starting position. Shark's out of the video. Neato, what are you doing? Okay, I give up. Okay, I give up. Okay, well, that piece technically doesn't count, so the test is over. Okay, now it's time to view the results. The Roomba bin. Looks like pretty decent. Shark bin. I hate taking out the shark bin with one hand. Ugh. Okay. Neato D6 bin. Did pretty good. find a Neato D9. What the heck was that? Neato D9 bin. Sorry that this part's not on camera. It's just hard. It's just too hard to do with one hand. Yeah, let me get all their bins back in. This is only gonna take a few moments. Well, who do you think won? If we gather all their junk and thing. There's that pile, that pile, that pile. I think we might have a winner. So it's a tie between the Neato D9 and the Roomba. So you guys get to decide who sweeps up what. Hold on a minute. Okay. And now for the bonus challenge. What percentage of this can the shark vacuum up? Most of it. Well, that concludes today's video. Have a Neato day, and I hope to see each and every single one of you in the next video. And so long for Roomba, Shark, Neato, and Neato. Goodbye.